video review script for the 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS NS200 style, with engaging, YouTube-ready flow, simple language plus technical depth, and price included down payment. Clapperboard video script, 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS review. Mic intro, book 000 to 020. Assalam-o-Alaikum guys. Aaj hum baat karne wale hain aisi bike ke baare mein jo street riding kaafi maani jaati hain. 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS. Aggressive look, powerful engine, our budget-friendly price. Lekin kiya bike ab the best choice high. Chaliye full detail review karte. Motorcycle overview, 020 to 050. Bajaj Pulsar NS series kaafi time say market mind dominate car rahi high, especially NS 200 segment mind. 2027 model mind kuch modern updates k soft ye bike our be refined ho chuki high. Lekin 4 DNA wahi aggressive street fighter wala high. Gear engine and performance, 050 to 140. Sabs pella baat kart hain performance key. Joe is bike ka strongest point high fire. Engine, 199.5 cc, liquid cooled. Power, approximately 24 bhp. Torque, around 18.7 Nm. Gearbox, 6 speed. Ye engine high revving nature ka high. Madlab J's high off throttle full ho. Bike aggressively kick ready high. Bike wale, top speed around 130 to 140 km/h. Top easily touch car ready high. Our highway KB coffee stable feel ready high. Rocket riding experience, 140 to 220. City riding mind bike coffee smooth high. Our traffic mind be easily handled for jaati high. Lightweight feel, approximately 158 kg. Strong mid-range acceleration, comfortable for daily use. Our jab off highway pain and call ho. Chaliye bike echo sporty feel steady high, especially overtaking mine. Paint palette design and looks, 220 to 3 o'clock. Design key baat karne to Pulsar NS car look coffee aggressive high cool. Muscular fuel tank, sharp LED headlight with DRLs. Split seat design, naked street fighter styling. Honestly, 2027 model mind design slightly refined high. Lekin overall same bold identity maintained key high. Bike wale, brain features and technology, 3 o'clock to 340. Features mind coffee improvement dekhein mocha high. Digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, call and SMS alerts. Turn-by-turn navigation, LED lighting. ASAP features as bike full modern bana dekhein, jo pella missing. Bike wale, hammer and wrench suspension and braking, 340 to 410. Handling our safety Chaliye. Front, USD forks better control. Rear, monoshock suspension. Dual disc brakes, dual channel abs, cornering mind bike coffee stable feel steady high, Joe sporty riders Chaliye perfect high. Fuel pump mileage, 410 to 425. Agar mileage key baat karne tow, approximately 35 to 40 km/h. Madlab performance k hisab say decent fuel efficiency mil jaati high. Bike wale, money bag price, 425 to 450. A flat sabs important baat, price flying money. India mine is bike key price around 1.5 lakh rupees, ex showroom KAASPAAS high. Bike wale, Pakistan mine expected price approximately. Right finger 7 Pakistani rupees .59.0 lakh, import availability par depend karta high. Star pros and cons, 450 to 520. Check mark pros, powerful engine, aggressive sporty look, great handling, value for money. Cross mark cons. Design toda outdated lag sakta high. Features competitors k mukable slightly cam ho sakti hain. Checkered flag final verdict, 520 to 550. To kiya apko 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS leni chahi. Agar op chat ho. Check mark powerful street bike. Check mark budget friendly performance. Check mark daily plus sporty riding combo. To ye bike definitely ek solid option high. Lekin Agar apko ultra modern features chahi. To op our options be consider car sakti ho. Clapperboard outro, 550 to 6 o'clock. Agar video pasand I to like karo thumbs up. Channel ko subscribe karo bell. Our comment mine batao. Op Pulsar NS loj ya koi our bike. Allah Hafiz, milt hain next video mine. Pushpin CO package, YouTube ready. Fire title, 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS review fire price, specs, mileage and full details in Urdu. Memo description, 2027 Bajaj Pulsar NS full review in Urdu, Hindi. Is video mine humne bike K features, engine performance, mileage. Design our price detail mine explain kiya hai. Agar op sporty our budget bike dhoond rahi hain ye video zaroor dekhein. Key keywords. 2027 Pulsar NS, Bajaj Pulsar NS review, Pulsar NS price Pakistan, NS 200 2027, Pulsar NS specs, Pulsar NS mileage. Loudspeaker hashtags, hashtag Pulsar NS, hashtag Bajaj Pulsar, hashtag bike review, hash NS 200 number 2027 bike, hashtag pack bikes. Agar chaho to main short TikTok version, voiceover script, the thumbnail idea be bana deta hun thumbs up.